So everybody, this is my 2003 YZF600R. It's pretty good shape overall, in all honesty. It's got 57,220K on it. But this year it started to develop a funny little tick from the, sounds to me like it's coming from the back of the transmission, but could be the bottom end. I just had the water pump apart. That I thought that might actually be where the thump was coming from. Thought maybe the impeller was hitting the case or something from a worn out bearing, but no such luck for me on that one. It's not the chain wheel. I didn't take the cam tensioner off because I don't think, it doesn't sound like that's the area it's coming from. I mean, I guess it could theoretically be cam chain tensioner, but it doesn't ever seem to be a problem on these bikes. So I don't know why mine would be the exception, but nonetheless. So I'll start it up. I already had it out for a little bit of a burner on, so it's already up in the temperature, I would imagine. Probably up in the, yeah, it's right up there from just sitting here idling, but make a difference. No difference. Clutch in, clutch out. Clutch out, clutch in. No difference on that. Just gonna shut her down because it's getting hot and I don't have the garage opened or anything anyway. So, but yeah, I mean, just trying to figure it out, and it's driving me friggin' nuts because, well, it's riding season and typically the bike has an issue during that time. But anyway, if you know what's wrong or you had the same problem, let me know.